The time is 5 a.m. Malume wami kade ngilete airport.
Hey guys.
My hair is like this because it's dyed. Yeah, the way that I look doesn't allow me to wear stiff hair. No ways.
A few moments later.
DJ Scissors.
What's going on, ladies? Yeah. You.
I'm new here, guys. I will explain. Because njengamanje 4:15, 4:15 a.m. I am on my way to the airport. On the way. Touchdown! The time is 5 a.m. in the morning on a Monday, the 12th of Jan 2026. Ready. Right, I have my sister behind the scenes. That's Valerie, so cute. Oh, cutie. See you soon. Oh, I see you soon, my baby. Usisami ayifihla ngaze ifihlelana. Kade uthi umuntu ase connect to us. How ID? The perfume. My hello. Sisedubane sibheke eGoli. Kwanjonga ziyaduma. Njengamanje it's departures ngala. All departures, my boy. Okay, I'm waiting for my sister. So she went back to get it. I'm actually early for the airport. I'm so proud of myself. I'm proud. Oh, mina. 6:25 iflight yami. Njengamanje isikhathi 5:05. Yeah. So njengesikhathi sonke sengicheckile in online. Oh, isikoma sami vele I paid for it. So goqoqoqo nje lapha. Nje yonke into ngenza online. On top of that ngi-early hayi shem. Nike le ndonto usephinde emuva sikhohle isikhama sekamera. I don't know what the hell is going on. Siyakhohlwa nje kuningi. I'm afraid ixhwele langilandela. Noma kuthiwa ngiyaphi, noma kuthiwa igown ikhona noma ayikho, lihlezi lizongilandela. Angidiniwe though. Zikhathi Okay, ngiyabonga sana. Thank you so much. Malume wami kade ngilete airport.
Hey guys. Hey guys, hello.
Sebezojika ke manje.
Ayide sahamba nje thina ama-owner. Lapho kwazi ukushayela.
Nawoza maqedwe imetric. Hamba welcome aqala nje ungahambi.
Yey.
Nje magazini maphela.
Ngizobheka ngala. Hayibo. Izini uphethe care nje yami. Papa yini ngiyabonga kakhulu ngiyabonga. Bye. Usihle owner. I wanna go get something to drink and to eat in the plane. A little sandwich. Young wimpy. They're good. Thai stuff. But I love my camera allowed. I'm sorry, ngengizwe. Ngani vusani manje ubaba Shaka Zulu kube uyena ozongitshela njengamanje ukuthi camera ivumelekile la. Ngivele ngibe nenye anxiety mangibona abantu abagijima e-airport. Hlezi kuyimina ogijimayo. Yabo nje namhlanje ngi-Elicefe. Oh, let's do Mac and Bean actually. Yeah. Senze sandwich ala Mac and Bean and coffee. Itakuta lapha ewimpi imnandi iyasuthisa. But it's too early for that, to be quite honest. Akufani shem, akufani. Hayi makanjani mfethu akukho kunye. Nima ngisazo-order. But yeah, sugar time, man. I'm hearing voices here. Okay, let's see what we're gonna have. Hello. I'm ready to order. I'm ready to order. I don't know.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you? I'd like to have this. Is it dry or gets toasted? Okay. I have that and coffee. I can't see your coffee here.
At the front. Right at the front. Yeah.
Okay, can I have that?
And potato sauce fries.
Yes. I'm not gonna eat in, so can you please get it? Yes.
But coffee there.
No, I'm leaving it. My flight is at 6:25, so yes. Sisodila ukudla. Sizodla. And in Shanghai, people are gonna see that my hair is like this because it's dyed. Yeah, but the way that I look doesn't allow me to wear stiff hair. No ways. Angivumngani o. Ngimhle, ngiyahletywa, and I got stiff hair. Not me, child. Not me, child. Oh, why did I leave my MacBook behind? Or why? Ngoba phela bemele ngabe ngeditha ama vlogs during my free time, and then ngikhiphela angazi vele ngacabanga ukuthi nje mangizoyihambisa ne-suitcase ngoba izoya ngaphakathi izolimazeka, and vele bizolimazeka because ama-suitcase bavele wabhabaze. Ayikho into enje, ngabe ngithi ayikho into enje manje naye. 5:55. I'm afraid the pepper will be there. Smells delicious. Let me show you. The father you put black pepper, I need to black pepper. I'm putting black pepper on both. Ngikhohlukile wala engiyakhona. I'm about to land manje, and I need to have the key because Mele requested from the airport to make drive, but I actually forgot the key at home. Ngiyapha eGoli ngaphandle kwakhe ngena kwi-apartment emnganami. Hayi guys, that's ngimtshengisa amafu. Touchdown OR Tambo. He bloated, yes, for some reason. I don't know why. Also, ngilahlile ibrush lam. I ukuthi ngilahlile, but lisalile kwibhanoyi liphumile la eceleni kwesikhwama secamera. Which I'm flat, so I have to go charge my phone so that I can be able to communicate. Hey, mina sengikhohliwe mina ukuthi sengiseGoli ngithi sawubona komunye ubhuti osizayo la. Uyangibuka nje. So sengikhulumile kodwa isilungu njengamanje I'm thinking of hiring imoto yes kodwa ke I don't know ama prices abo ukuthi ami kanjani make ya over 1.5 nje ngiyayeka ibudget yami 1.5 for lo 3 days ngizohlala la. Hi, apparently ngiyabonga but apparently angekusebenza because I didn't bring my copy license. And guys, to be quite honest, I feel like good reasonable ukuthi ngirent imoto than to request everywhere I go. Because I'll have to request everywhere I go la ngoba ngila imoto yami ngishiye eMlazi. Ay ngithi ngekwenzeke nge-ID kuthiwa nje cha sidinga ukuscanner your license. So I'm not gonna be able to get a car and cabanga ngoba bekuzoba u5.7 kodwa we deposit loyo 4,300 wey kodwa kahle kahle bengizokhokha 1.2 kukona konke hey bafethu ngicikekile I'll call someone who's gonna come get me request ngagcina nini ngisazoba neparanoia nje camera yami ngikwi-Uber. Let's go.
Mina ngifuna ukushada bafethu. Esengathele mina le ndaba le ukuthi what. Yeah. Ngithandazele please.
Ngithanda sothatha indaba yakhe njengoba ngishilo ukuthi ngikhohlwa ukhiye eThekwini. Hi guys, we met you.
Oh shit, look.
I wonder if Palace has a white t-shirt.
Yeah, I hope so.
The same.
Yours is Galaxy Boy, mine is Small Street. So Mina, I don't know. We're not on the same level.
Well,
Look at that hair, guys. All right.
don't say that. I need to comb my hair nicely.
Don't. They don't mind, Diesel. They know you. They've
They
already seen
do,
you.
man.
They've seen you without makeup, seen you without hair. You've been bald before, and it's. I remember.
Nice to see you,
I see you too, bro. You
We have another pretty lady joining us today.
Okay, period.
Love you, done, by the way. Content Sissy. Teach us.
Thank you. Sesoshootha manje guys. Ngifuna ukayena fast inole zami. Mase ngiyongena ngaphakathi.
Even measuring his pants. What TikTok are we making? That's fine.
What a celebrity way.
Of course.
So Mina, I'm just gonna wait until you guys say, okay, it's time for us to That's it, it's home.
Yeah, my bad.
Sure. Apparently, more newcomer uhlala on the other side, and the people that are used to it.
We have to do it. Like, there's no other option.
Apparently.
Also, what I don't even worry about it, baby girl.
Oh, worry about it.
Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
about sweetheart,
It's this. I don't like this one thing.
Hello, how are you? Yo, remember when you lost your phone?
10.
And now you're recording on your phone.
I'm recording. That's why I was recording.
Hello, gorgeous girl.
Hi, pretty.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Welcome to the Up Podcast.
Thank you so much for having me.
Yeah?
Gonna hold this too. Welcome back.
How are you?
Oh, son, I'm so tired. Actually, I'm so tired.
Yeah.
Let's do intros.
Alright.
I think we kind of forgot what to do because guys, it's been a
It's been a long time.
break. What's good, everybody? It's your girl, Palace Nopoli, also known as Sister Ravana, also known as DJ Scissors.
What's going on, ladies? Yeah? You
I'm new here, guys. I will explain my screen.
At least you're staying far from her, cause.
Okay, I don't mind actually.
Oh no. We have
Just saying.
more gays than up close.
The reason why Christy said it was King Erat.
Erectile.
What? No.
Oh,
They couldn't reconcile because of this one incident is because it was with a man.
He cheated with the man.
No, no, this is going to be from someone else. So all of this is alleged.
Oh, I
Obviously, we don't know what's in the.
Well, I
divorce.
mean, to be quite honest, I'm full of man. Okay, let's go back first to the part where you guys think he felt overstimulated. Guys, they've been married for a long time. Why couldn't he communicate with her?
That's a good point, yeah.
No,
Like-
fully, dude.
Like, communicate if you don't feel it anymore. Hello, it's me. Hello. Yabonje le inwele oh. La we oh. Kwi-episode yethu yokuqala uzobona iy'nwele zami nje uzitsheke kanjeni. Don't be too harsh on the comments. Don't be too harsh on the comments. I lost my brush. Ebhanoyini oh. Ngathi Springfield. Dala, I think it was, I was still in university. Dala, I think I was in my first year. Yeah, sure. Sfeya manje. Tomorrow I'm gonna buy other stuff. I just felt like getting this for namhlanje. Oh mango wami. Oh no. Oh mango wami. I remember Otumango. Otumango. Go order ama grapes. Hey bo. Ubungeko. Mase bangirefund. Apparently basi bayirefundile. Go back. Oh, okay. The time is 18:44. Chicken shawarma. Oh, I've always wanted to taste this shawarma actually. Basically, admire got me food. We've got to deliver, man.